all the candidates who are appearing in MPerio exam in September and then in November. Today I will tell you how our crash course and mock exam will help you to succeed. Number 1. We will provide you case scenarios and viva questions, and lots of them. In fact, all the short cases and long cases which came in MPerio exam for the last 4 years. That means your short cases and long cases are totally covered. You will be ready for everything. Number 2, we will provide you solved written papers from 2017 till 2023. No need to read the textbooks for the answers. Your written part is totally covered. Number 3, we will take RCS standard mock exam. We will give you same intensity, same stress, same exam environment, and we will test your knowledge and preparation to the max. We will tell you your areas of weaknesses and strength. Know them before the exam, not afterwards. Number 4, we will give you one-on-one feedback and coaching, and we will help you to improve all the way. Is that all? No, we will tell you all the tips and tricks for the viva, and when examiner tries to confuse you, how to tackle that situation. So you go to the exam confident and fully loaded with knowledge. The course sounds awesome, but I know what you are thinking. Do I have the time to take this crash course right now? And the answer is yes. It is just 7-day course with 2.5 hours in a day, so it's totally manageable. We are offering 50% discount right now, so book your slot and take the right step towards your success. WhatsApp for information and booking, and MPerioPrepCourse is your partner for successful